Here is something you can have on any day. It's quick to make, inexpensive, and tastes absolutely divine. The perfect balance of sweet and savory. Sweet rice and chana. Perfect for puja offering or vrat fast. And considered sacred for Lakshmi prayers. Welcome to my kitchen, the heart of the home with me, Neris. Let's make some sweet rice. To start, I am adding a 200-gram packet of white rice. I am going to be washing this thoroughly. Let's boil the white rice. We want to boil this till it's soft. I'm proceeding to add some elachi powder, and we want to mix the elachi till it has fully dissolved in the sweet rice. I have switched my stove off and I'm adding a cup of milk. We want to give everything a nice good mix. I'm going in with 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. And we want to stir the brown sugar till it is dissolved in the sweet rice. I'm going to switch my stove back on and bring this to a boil. You can proceed to add some ghee. If you are not doing this for a fast or for a prayer, you can add butter, but I have added butter ghee. And here is your sweet rice. White deliciousness. Devotion in every grain. Absolutely divine. Let's make some chana. So to a pot, I am adding in my soaked chana. I am using a 100-gram packet. We want to bring this to a boil till it has become soft. Once it has boiled, you want to strain it. And we are now going to proceed to fry the chana. Use enough oil just to coat the pan. You don't want to use too much of oil. I've added in a tablespoon of butter ghee, 1 diced onion. Once the onions becomes translucent, I'm going in with a teaspoon and a half of mustard seeds and 1 red dry chilli. Once that has fried, you can go in with your boiled chana or kadla. You want to give everything a nice mix, and you want to fry the chana till golden. Add some salt for taste. And there you have it, golden grains of chana. The perfect savoriness to the sweet rice. May your lotas and cups overflow with golden grains. Here's wishing all of my viewers a happy, blessed, and prosperous year ahead from my kitchen to yours.